days are like a labyrinth. I could get lost in them for hours and hours and hours, staring at your face through a Blu-ray screen. It's like a trap that pulls me deeper and deeper and deeper. Can someone help me escape this nightmare of a dream? Can someone help me? I'm sinking, falling way too deep. After all, I'm just a face in the crowd. You're my world, but it's too big right now. I'm always reaching for the stars, admiring from afar, 'cause I'll never get to be close. I'll always try to reach out, then pull back when I feel down, and I don't know what to say anymore. I'll just wait at your door. Your face too soft and innocent, star-studded eyes like crystal crowns. When I feel like falling down the stream, you hold my gaze so I won't drown, drown, drown. Can someone help me escape my love-struck fantasy? Can someone help me? The weight of this is crushing me. In the end, I'm just a fan out of sight. You're my life, but I'll never be your light. I'm always reaching for the stars, admiring from afar, 'cause I'll never get to be close. I'll always try to reach out, then pull back when I feel down, and I don't know what to say anymore. I'll just wait at your door. I'm always reaching for the stars, admiring from afar, 'cause I'll never get to be close. I'm reaching for the stars, admiring from afar, 'cause I'll never get to be close. I always try to reach out, then pull back when I feel down, and I don't know what to say anymore. I'll just wait at your door.